This video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up windows that are associated with the website everydaynewschannel.com. everydaynewschannel.com. Some people may unexpectedly notice these pop-ups to attack their browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. The peculiarity of these pop-ups is that they target Windows browsers mainly, even though something similar may also occur with Mac devices too. The website everydaynewschannel.com is extremely malicious because it tries to actually force you into subscribing to its push notifications. The feature of push notifications may be decent in a lot of cases, but it is not the case with this particular website. If you subscribe to its notifications, you will start getting a lot of advertisements that will be displayed randomly on your computer screen. So do not click on the allow button, and if it was mistakenly clicked, you will be forwarded to some other questionable page, and you will start getting advertisements mainly in the right bottom part of your computer screen. So be very careful. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you need to implement some immediate fixes of your browser. How to fix your browser manually? First thing you can do is access the menu, go to Settings. By the way, in Mozilla Firefox you also go to Settings, then you scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. In Firefox, notifications should be also found in this area. Check the list of the websites that are allowed to send notifications, and once you find this questionable website, get rid of it from this list, as well as other malicious sites that you may find here. Finally, I recommend you to check your computer additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your system. So, scan your system, and Combo Cleaner will help you to fix other malware or adware related issues. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, Once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.